The stock market isn't going straight up anymore. Now what are you going to do? How are you going to make money if you can't just set it and forget it? Because if you're in a market decline, that's not going to work for you anymore. When the markets have been in these multiples, we have never seen good 5-year returns. In fact, the best 5-year set of returns we've ever seen is about half the average of the S&P, and the worst is negative. Additionally, interest rates are rising. We're at 40-year highs. The Fed is projected to raise interest rates, some people say as many as 7 times this year. And the 2- and 10-year spread is down by 75%. If that turns negative, that's also a signal that a recession is coming. In this video, we're going to show you how you can make money even in a sideways or in a down market. My name is Stuart Cruz. I'm founder of Cruz Asset Management. We're a boutique quantitative asset management firm that makes investment decisions with statistics and math, not based off our gut. We look at the numbers before we make our choices. If you recall, back in the 2000s, in the post-dot-com era, the market multiples were at these levels, a little bit higher, but roughly at these levels that we see today. And you know what happened after that? From 2000 to 2009, in that decade, the S&P was actually negative, not just for 5 years, but for 10 years. So how would you make money? Well, a diversified portfolio returned about 7% a year on average. The problem is most portfolios are not diversified. Is yours? Or do you just have large cap domestic stocks in your portfolio? Because that's what's worked so far. If you do, the future does not look very bright for you in the full future. Other ways you can make money are structured products. This is a $4 trillion marketplace that is mostly used by institutionals and by family offices. The problem is most retail clients have never heard of them because most retail advisors don't have the skill set or the quantitative background to do the analysis. In fact, some banks won't even let their advisors sell structured notes to their clients because they're just too complicated for the advisor to look at. Another option are options. You can sell puts to get into positions that you think are inexpensive, and if you don't get in those positions, you get paid for waiting. You can sell covered calls to get out of positions and protect on the downside. Even put and call spread selling can create income for you, and it doesn't really matter about which direction the market is headed. You can even use structured notes to create incomes for outcomes that you are hoping for or that you think are very unlikely to happen. So if you're not really sure how you're going to make money without just the set it and forget it mentality, and if you believe that the market is scheduled for a long downturn, which is something that all the indicators are looking for, schedule a time with us. Click the link below to schedule time. We're happy to do a free portfolio and risk review to make sure that your portfolio matches your risk tolerances and that you actually have a diversified portfolio that is set up for success. If you don't want to do that, just go ahead and click the Riskalyze link and start there to assess what your current risk is, because sometimes it's changed from when the market's going straight up to when you see some volatility and some weakness in the marketplace. I'm Stuart Cruz with Cruz Asset Management, and I'm confident we can help you make money in a sideways and even a declining S&P 500. Just click the link below, whichever one's appropriate for you, and set up a time to talk to us.